The United Nations initiatives, conferences on women. International organizations such as the United Nations have played a very important role in raising the status of women in women's movement and for women empowerment. Globalization, we see, has brought the nations and people of the nations in the world very close to each other. Views, ideas, and perceptions, they also travel and are transmitted at a very rapid pace. International organizations have been playing their part with reference to gender and development. That development that takes place in one part of the world, its impact, its information, its knowledge, its modalities, they travel and they transmit it to other parts very soon. The United Nations has made some significant achievements with regard to women empowerment or women's movement. In 1945, a commitment was announced to the equality of men and women in the 1945 Charter of the UN. In 1975, the year 1975 was declared the International Women's Year. 1975 to 1985 was declared the UN Decade for Women. Policies and issues affecting women's life were examined in this time. Aspects such as equality in pay, landholding, gendered violence, and human rights were focused on as a special agenda. In this time, 3 major conferences, international conferences, were held along with many other meetings in different regions. इस ज़माने हमने ये देखा कि इस दहाई में, जिसको हमने औरतों की दहाई कहा, इसमें 3 बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हुई. इसके अलावा छोटी सतह के ऊपर बहुत से इदारों ने अपने अपने तौर पर बहुत दफ़ा मीटिंग्स की, सेमिनार्स किए और छोटी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस की. The first World Conference on Women was held in 1975 in Mexico City. The second World Conference on Women was held in Copenhagen in 1980. The third World Conference on Women was held in 1985 in Nairobi. The agenda included conscious raising in Mexico City, networks in Copenhagen, and the solidarity of women worldwide, Nairobi. Equality, development and peace. ये वो बैनर था, या ये कह सकते हैं कि वो नारा था जिसके तहत ये तमाम चीज़ें तय पाईं. These conferences assess the progress made in reference to the commitments made earlier. In 1995, a major milestone event took place. The Beijing Conference on Women was held. It was the largest UN conference on women, which brought together around 50,000 people from different parts of the globe. And this conference is quoted as a highly effective event, a historic event, a conference which laid foundations for many changes and developments and people's, women and men's thought and perceptions.